So in subtracting fraction, for example, you have 3 over 4 minus 2 over 3. So all you have to do is make the denominator the same by multiplying 3 over 4 by 3 and 2 over 3 by 4. Okay, so after that, you multiply for the first fraction. 3 times 3 is 9, and then 4 times 3 is 12. And minus, so 2 times 4 is 8 over 3 times 4 is 12. So after making the denominator the same, you can subtract the numerator now, or the top number of the fraction, where it is 9 minus 8 is 1, and then just copy the denominator. So that is the simplest form when you subtract 3 over 4 minus 2 over 3. And the answer is 1 over 12. Let's have another one. For example, if you have 7 over 9 minus 2 over 3. So how will you make the denominator the same? How will you make 9 and 3 be the same? So first, multiply 2 over 3 by 3 to make it 9. Yeah? So both of them multiply by 3. So then copy the fraction, the first fraction, which is 7 over 9 minus, so 2 times 3 is 6 over 3 times 3 is 9. Then since the denominator is already the same, you can just simply subtract the numerator, which is 7 minus 6. So 7 minus 6 is 1 over, copy the denominator, 9. So, and that is the answer when you subtract 7 over 9 minus 2 over 3. Okay? That's all. Bye!